In this video number 4, this is material and section properties. So for the video number 3, we already did it, but we will just have take a look, or we have a review for the column compressive strength properties. So I will just click update. So I will go to material tab, update. This is for the column 400 by 400, and I will just click change. Then concrete properties. So we have, instead of 21, we will use 28, or that is equivalent to 4 KSI or 4000 PSI. Let's say we have 4000 PSI divided by 145 or 145. That is equivalent to 27.6. Or let's say this is 28. Or the other conversion is 4 KSI times 6.9. So KSI to megapascal. So we have here FY the same, 414 megapascal, and we'll just click OK. And after doing that, we will go to this rectangular. I will just click this rectangular section and go to dimension. So if you want to alter or change the dimension, let's say we have 450 by 400. I will just click OK, and what you will see is the column or that section is updated, and also the material properties is also updated. So this is the modulus of elasticity, 26,753. So for the 3000 PSI, the value is this one. So this value is 4,730 square root of F prime of C. In this case, FrameCE uses at least more than 7%, or I think 6%. So the value here should be 4,730 square root of 28. So it will give us the value of 4,730 times square root of 28. The value is 25,028 megapascal. So the FrameCE gives 26,000. So I divided it, and it gives almost 6%. I will just verify it, but the value here used is more than 6% according to the ACI code. So that's a small difference, but we need to verify that. Okay, so that value is okay, and this is your 450 by 400 section. So if you wish to edit, so that's the procedure. So let's say this one 400 by 800, I will just change that. Concrete properties, let's say 28, I will just click OK, and I will say 400 by let's say 400. So I'll just click OK, and as we can see, this description or this material section, this section properties or section name and properties are also updated. So I will just click OK, and I can also update the color of the frames. Okay, so I will just click OK, and for the materials, again for the materials, so we already update the section properties and the material properties. If you want to add or delete, you can just go to this command or section properties. So you can add, delete, or change. So I will just, or you can import from another existing model. So I will just click OK. So this one, the bar sizes, you can take the 16 mm, 20 mm, and 25 mm, and also from the face of the column. So I will just click at the face of the column, and what's this? Check assumption. Okay, soil bearing properties. So we have, let's say, from the design criteria we have, or from the soil report, we have 250 kPa. I will just click OK, and this one is the slab diaphragm. So I will just say off the slab diaphragm action. Okay, so that slab diaphragm action is after we model the slab, there will be a diaphragm action, or in this slab properties. So there will be a representation of diaphragm action. Okay, so we will just say off, and that's it for the material and section properties. Okay, so we'll go to another video for the load cases.